So for today's video, we are going to identify the missing part of a secant. As you can see, we have here two intersecting secants. Okay? Kaya gagamitin natin yung intersecting secant theorem. Para mas mabilis ninyong matandaan yung formula ng theorem, we have here external times the whole equals to external times the whole. Anong ibig sabihin natin dyan? O, focus muna tayo dito sa second line na to. Yung second line na ito, nahati sa dalawang part. We have the external part and the internal part. Okay? So, ang gagawin natin is to multiply the measure of the external part with the whole. Okay? Pero paano natin makukuha yung whole measurement? We just have to add the external plus the internal. Okay, sige nga, tingnan natin. We have the external. So, what is the measure of the external? We have 5. Okay? Times the whole. Anong sabi ko? Para makuha natin yung isang buo, we just have to add the measure of the external plus the measure of the internal. Para isang buo na siya. So, we have 5 plus 15. Equal siya. So, let's focus dito sa isang second line na to. Ano yung measure ng external niya? We have 4. Okay? Times the measure of yung buo, yung whole. So, we have here, we have to add yung measure ng external with the measure of the internal. So, ang measure ng external natin ay 4 plus the measure of the internal, which is x. Okay? So, we are going to have here 5 plus 15, we have 20. Correct? So, we have here 5 times 20 is equal to, i-distribute lang natin to. 4 times 4 is 16, and then 4 times x is 4x. Okay? What is now 5 times 20? We have 100 is equal to 16 plus 4x. Okay, kailangan ma-isolate si 4x, ilipat natin si 16. Si 16 magiging minus. So, we have here 100 or negative. Minus 16 is equal to 4x. What is now 100 minus 16? Correct. That is 84. Equals to 4x. Okay? Now, ang kailangan natin x lang. So, we have to divide yung parehong sides by 4. So, what will be the value of x? 8 divided by 4 is 2. 4 divided by 4 is 1. So, the value of x is equal to 21. O, ganun lang yun ha. External times the whole is equal to the external times the whole. O, gawin yun dito, okay? Suppose yung external ng second na ito ay 4, and then yung internal ay 6. And then we have this one, ang external ay 2, and then yung internal ay x. What will be the value of x? Don't forget to follow for more math videos, and remember that sharing is caring. Bye!